Hey guys, please like, share, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. So I forgot to tell y'all what I'm doing. Got this right here, and they're kind of going bad. So I'm trying not to get sick again like I was at the Shabbat service, because I gotta see if it smell good, and if it's okay, I'm gonna try to just go ahead and make a smoothie out of that, cause it's going bad. And then now I'm on my eBay business, and I'm trying to use my wear to try to get all of my stuff and my clothes that I have online, all my inventory. I'm sorry guys, make y'all dizzy. I'm trying to weigh it, because I had everything on local. I had everything on local. So now I gotta go through all the stuff that people are interested in. I'm going through the ones that got watchers on it, and I'm just going in there and putting the weight, because they're making me have to put the weight in. That's some stupid shit. And when I try to do it all at once, it won't allow me to do that. So it charges me. So I gotta go one by one manually and try to change all of that back to what I back to shipping option. And guys, I still ain't shaved up under my arm. I just been busy, and I ain't did no exercise, so I'm gonna do that. I ain't gonna do exercise, but I'm gonna do deep body stretches, cause I've been off schedule. This move and me selling my house have gotten me. I'm off of it, guys. I'm like off. And I'm gonna actually show y'all a picture, if I can show y'all a picture of my house. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all a picture of my house. But anyways, that I sold. Not I'm gonna show y'all the front of it. All right, please like, share, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. I gotta get back to stretching. Ooh guys, because it's my back is killing me. Hey guys, I didn't want anything. Welcome to Victoria's Collection YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Guys, I had got these from Walmart. I just love this type of can. I like them when they're skinny and small. It's a sparkling waters. I got a whole bunch of sparkling waters. I got pineapple strawberry. It's real good. Y'all should try it out. And then guys, I ended up having to get in a conventional oven until I figure out, because I made a pizza with this with my oven, my RV oven. And then after that, this is the pan. It can also boil my conventional oven. I got this for only $19 at Walmart. So it's really cute. I remember my mom used to have one of these. They're really cheap and very popular. And it's so I just got that so I can cook my pizzas and steam my vegetables and stuff like that until I figure something out. But I was able to boil my tea, and I was able to make a pizza. And then after that, when I turned on the LP gas, I don't know what I turned this off first, because it can either run gas or electric, but this is a gas stove, gas stove and gas oven. And I just don't understand, guys. I turned this on, and I turned this off first, and then I turned this on, the LP gas. And at first I was able to boil my tea and make my pizza, and then the next time I tried to use it again, it would not ignite. But I kept hearing it click. So I'm gonna try to ask the guy that helped me with the other things. And I gotta learn how to dump my waste too. I got a pizza in here now. But guys, I was like, forget that, it wasn't nothing but $19, but I gotta get this to work. I don't know what's going on with this RV thing. But anyways, guys, I just got back from I had my head wrapped too. I don't have to have it wrapped when I'm out. That's just a preference, but I had it wrapped. But now I got it back out so it can get some air. But guys, yeah, I'm back at the house now, back at the rig, and about to make my pizza. And I was gonna get ready to wash some clothes. Show y'all. I was gonna get ready to wash some clothes, but I'm not gonna wash no clothes. I got my lights off in my mini like dinette like dining yeah, dining room and kitchen area, I got my lights off because I was gonna try to wash clothes, but I'm tired, man. I just gonna, cause today I did a lot, so I'm finna just eat this pizza and go to damn sleep, cause I got more stuff to do tomorrow, and I forgot to get paper towels when I was at Walmart. I'm gonna be going to Walmart a lot, and I'm gonna be doing that shop kick tomorrow if I can. I'm gonna do the shop kick tomorrow, so I'm gonna charge up this phone that I'm filming on, charge this up, and then I'm gonna do some work tomorrow, and I'm gonna try to find some work too, because I gotta be able to keep paying this where I'm parked at. And I'm going into my money. My check engine light came on again, guys. I'm sick of it, and it's because it's an older model vehicle. I ain't been having issues out of that old one that y'all saw, the black one, 1998. I don't have problems with it. That's because I don't drive it as much. But I don't know what I told my mechanic again. So basically I got to get a printout from AutoZone. He did fix the problem. I will give him that. He did fix the problem, because when the light was on the first time, it was doing all this weird vibration. That has stopped. So it's something different now. It's something different. And I have my own personal reader, and it did show up a whole different type of codes. So he did fix that problem, and it's driving nice. But now I'm not sure. I erased the code by accident, so now I gotta wait for it to come on again. So now I gotta see what the new problem is. But guys, I gotta pray about that, because I done blew through my proceeds of getting this rig and all the stuff that I needed. And I still need a solar generator. I still need a starter battery. I still need a tire inflator. It's a lot of stuff I still need. So if y'all can go to my Amazon wish list, go there. And I always have the ways to donate in the description box below this video. Guys, again, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'm out.